Anytime now. And the race is on Italia from the outside. Solar Power, the chosen one, live in Manila. Moving up by the release Durango. Solar Power, the chosen one. Durango is running by the Italia. Rushing up in between runners is Gold Asian, Gold Plated Key, live in Manila. The chosen one by Hapalan, followed by Durango. Solar Powers racing in third from the outside, rushing up Italia, Gold-Plated Key, Gold Asian, also rushing up is live in Manila. Rounding the far turn, it's the chosen one by an Solar Power is on the outside. Durango is running by the rail. Then here comes Gold Asian live in Manila. Also coming into the picture as they race up on the corner. Solar Power, the chosen one, live in Manila. Is on the outside. Gold Asian at the center. It's now live in Manila. Solar Power, Gold Asian by the rail. And nearing the finish line, live in Manila. And finally, live in Manila. Gold Asian, Solar Power, Gold-Plated Key, and the chosen one, salvaging fifth.